As you know, XEM is the native currency of the NEM blockchain. It has real fundamental value as the currency of a functioning economy. You can acquire XEM on various exchanges. Check the description below to see the complete list of exchanges integration. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to send and receive XEM via an exchange account using your NEM wallet. Before getting started, please be sure you already have your own NEM wallet and exchange account. You can check the tutorial link on how to create a NEM wallet in the description below. Part 1. Sending XEM to an exchange account. Step 1. Log into your cryptocurrency exchange account. In this example, we'll use the Binance exchange. Step 2. Click Funds at the header menu, then go to Deposits. Search and click NEM or XEM. Step 3. Read the instructions carefully. Instructions from other exchanges may differ. Please send only XEM to the deposit address. Sending any other coin or token may result in the loss of your deposit. Now, remember, both message and address are required to successfully deposit your XEM to Binance. Failing to follow the instructions correctly may result in the loss of your deposit. So please don't forget. Tick the I understand that deposits without a message will be lost checkbox to acknowledge the warning. Click Continue Deposit to proceed. Step 4. Log into your NEM wallet. Click the Send tab at the header menu. Step 5. Go back to your Binance account. Copy the text in the XEM deposit message. Step 6. Go back to your NEM wallet. Paste the text you just copied in the message field. Step 7. Go back to your Binance account. Copy the text in the XEM deposit address. It should start with the letter N. Step 8. Go back to your NEM wallet. Paste the text you just copied in the To field. Step 9. Set the amount of XEM you wish to deposit. Enter your NEM wallet password, then click Send to proceed. Step 10. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed by the NEM blockchain. Once confirmed, the transaction details will then be available on both your NEM wallet and your Binance account. Congratulations! You've successfully deposited your XEM into your Binance exchange account. Okay, now we'll go to part 2, which is receiving XEM from an exchange account. Receiving XEM from an exchange is much easier than sending XEM to an exchange account. So, step 1. Log into your NEM wallet. Get your NEM account address by clicking the Account tab in the top right of the header menu. Step 2. Copy your NEM wallet address. It should start with the letter N. Step 3. Log into your exchange account. Go to Withdrawals. Search NEM or XEM. Step 4. Paste your NEM wallet address into the XEM withdrawal address field. The message field is optional. Step 5. Set the amount of XEM you wish to withdraw. Please note, transaction fees may vary from different exchanges. Click Submit to proceed. Step 6. Input your 2FA authentication digits. Then check your email to confirm withdrawal. Step 7. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed by the NEM blockchain. Once confirmed, the transaction details will then be available on your NEM wallet and Binance account. Congratulations! You've successfully withdrawn XEM from your exchange account. If you need any further assistance, please visit the NEM Help Desk Telegram group at t.me/NEMHelpDesk.